Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll calculate slope of a line. As per the problem, calculate the slope of line segment joining the points -3, -4 and -9, -7. In this problem, we are given 2 points that are joined by the line segment. We can calculate the slope of this line segment using the slope formula. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula, x1, x2, y1 and y2 are coordinates of 2 points that lie on the line segment. We are given 2 points that lie on the line segment. We can label one of them as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. We can label either point as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. The final answer will be the same. Next, we can sub in these values in the formula for slope. y2 is equal to -7, y1 is -4, x2 is -9, x1 is -3. Now we can evaluate this expression. Minus -4 is equivalent to +4. Similarly, minus -3 is equivalent to +3. -7 plus 4 is equal to -3. The negative signs cancel each other out. I get m equals 3 over 6. We can reduce this fraction by dividing both 3 and 6 by 3. I get m equals 1 over 2. So the slope of the line segment is 1 over 2. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to calculate the slope of this line segment. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.